We begin with the development in the murders of two teenagers. Orange County investigators say a suspect is now in custody. Good evening, I'm Julie Luck.
And I'm Chad Silver. The families of 18-year-old Devin Clark and 14-year-old Lyric Woods have been waiting for answers for weeks, and tonight, some relief. But this case is far from over.
WFMY News 2's Grace Holland heard from the acting district attorney and has reaction from Clark's mother.
It was a hard push for me waiting for this day.
The mother of one of two teens murdered, closer to answers after deputies announced a suspect is in custody.
And we got a little piece of justice done. It's a little bit of closure, but it's not a lot because we have more that we have to solve in this case.
Tiffany Concepcion's son, 18-year-old Devin Clark, found dead alongside 14-year-old Lyric Woods in an Orange County field last month. Both had been missing for more than a day when they were found shot and killed.
I wouldn't have never thought out of my time that I would have been burying our child.
Clark was a senior at Eastern Alamance High School, where he played football. He had dreams of playing in college.
He never hurt nobody. He was always kind, friendly, loved people, met everybody, and became a friend for everybody.
Woods was a freshman at Cedar Ridge High School in the Triangle.
I didn't know Lyric. I don't know her. But I know of her now since this happened, and she was seen like she was a very good girl. She played volleyball, and she had to be somewhat of a good girl for her to be Devin's friend.
Investigators were searching for a 17-year-old suspect for weeks before taking someone into custody.
I'm happy that our community can know that there is a suspect in custody.
Acting Orange County District Attorney Jeff Neiman says the suspect is a juvenile and very little information can be shared about offenders under 18 years old. He declined to comment on whether or not his office will pursue trying the suspect as an adult.
It's public. This is a 17-year-old suspect. It is legally possible to then transfer this case to adult court. And that would happen through the process of the case being sent to the grand jury, similar to what we do with regular adult cases.
The next step will be a detention hearing where a judge will determine whether the suspect will be released from custody while awaiting trial.